Where can you find a souvenir that's 100% made in Iceland? I'm gonna show you. Near Selfoss, you'll find Þingborg, where you can shop traditional Icelandic sweaters hand knitted by locals. This one, for instance, was knitted by a local named Guðbjörg. The selection is impressive, and the sweaters and accessories are all made in unique designs. If you're crafty, you can buy Icelandic yarn and create your own knitted items when you get home. If you want a souvenir for your home, you can buy an Icelandic sheepskin to lay on your couch. Or you can visit the adjacent Gallery Flói, where you'll find ceramic designs such as beautifully crafted bowls and cups. The talented gallery owner, Fanndís Huld Valdimarsdóttir, also creates handmade glass pearls from original Viking designs. In addition to these two places, I highly recommend you visit Solheima Eco Village. Here you can shop super creative souvenirs such as colorful ceramic sculptures, imaginative knitted teddy bears, and quirky little items. Take this little ceramic elf door, for instance. You place it in your garden to invite elves to come and make a home. Save this video so you remember these places for 100% Icelandic souvenir shopping in Iceland.